I'm out there with the drone down by Folding Mountain. My wife is in the trailer doing something constructive. I think she's buttering up the banana bread and perhaps putting the plunger down on the coffee. Such is the RV lifestyle. We went out last year with this trailer after we first bought it. We made it to Baja, but it was a much shorter stint, a couple of months. This year we're gonna go for 6 months. It's been 30 years since we really had an RV in the yard and took it out for trips. So it's been very, very enjoyable. There is going to be some adversity in RVing, as there is in life. We've been together 40 years, so adversity is nothing new to us, and we pretty much, well, hey, we're here and we're heading out, so that pretty much tells that. I guess the best thing we've noticed about this RVing is seeing all these people again, because a lot of things can go wrong when you're RVing long distance and over a period of time, but there's even more things can go right. We've seen so many things. It was just a very rewarding experience. Tag along with us. Marble Ramblers is going to try and make it to Baja, Mexico again. Let's see if we do, and let's see if we can get warm. I think we're going to have a little fun along the way. Let's see. October the 8th. 10 and 12. Okay, let's flash back to last year here. Let's get this in perspective. Last year we left 2 months later, almost exactly 2 months later. Minus 22 degrees due to the atmospheric river in BC, which closed all the highways, and some medical appointments that I had to keep. We couldn't leave. You can't get to BC. You can't get to BC. The moment the highway opened, we left. Look at that. Let's get back to the sunshine and leaving this year, please. Where'd he go? Oh, he's around the corner. Okay, we're rolling. Took us this long to get packed. We're headed for Mexico. There's Boompa, 92. Will he be here when we get back? Okay, you run the camera. It's on. It's rolling. Okay. Show the old man.
Love you. Bill, we're striking more than oh, I know.
Okay, that's called a pattern interrupt. That's one of the things that will hang over this trip is he going to be here when we get back?
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
That was brutal.
Real windy. Real windy. We're 54 kilometers into the trip. Marsh Lake. Just beautiful out. Beautiful fall day considering it's the Yukon. Jake's Corner. That impressive slab of rock has always reminded me that we're either heading out or we're getting close to home. And not far from that is Teslin Lake. That means you're getting close to population.
I slept through Johnson's Crossing, I take it?
Mm-hmm.
Mrs. I'm not tired.
What?
I said, Mrs. I'm not tired, just slept.
Mm-hmm. Coming into Teslin. This is the first major metropolis southbound from Whitehorse.
Major metropolis.
Gas station on our right. We'll take the gas station on the left.
The fake police car is gone. It was here for years. I wonder if somebody finally complained or something. And this is the construction. You can see the massive crane. And they're replacing this bridge.
Okay, that was a little quick. We're in Teslin. This is what it looks like. I've been here before when the motorcycles is lining up. Beautiful little spot. The Sutherland Bay, which is weird because it's Teslin. What I'm actually referring to here is this is leaving Teslin. You think this would be the Teslin Bridge, but it's the Sutherland Bridge. There's another weird thing. You see a lot of strange stuff on the Alaska Highway. Like in the middle of nowhere, this. Yeah, but things can go wrong on this long, lonely stretch of road. Hope these people are okay. Oh, somebody's over the bank. And I thought they stopped to take a leak. No, they stopped to roll upside down in the bank, Bill. Okay, welcome to Watson. Let's gas up and then head for Liard Hot Springs. This is the signpost. City. Signpost Forest.
Is that what it's called? The forest?
Yep. So you wanted to see the signpost forest, like here it is, okay? So here it is. There it is. It goes way around the corner. Oh boys, all kinds of signs. Yeah, we got one in there too from somewhere. Yep, goes on and it goes up all the way around there to the left. To the left is Dawson Creek. To the right is back to Whitehorse. We are going to the left. Okay, a bunch of babies. I'll show you some more. Jesus Christ, it's just a bunch of signs. You've seen it once, you've seen it 10 times. There, now you saw it. That was pretty cool. If you've never seen it before, it is pretty cool. But I've seen it a lot of times. We've seen it a lot.
They're taking us on a detour. There's a highway there. Don't know why. But a little bit of dirt road for you.
Yeah, and always expect road work on the Alaska Highway. "5:30 in the morning. GoPro's not going to pick up too much of this. Starting day 2. We are about half an hour north of Liard Hot Springs. I don't know if we're going to stop at Liard Hot Springs because it's going to be dark. And it is cool. It was a cool night last night. We had the heating blankets on. The new battery's working great. You can see it's just gorgeous. It's pitch black. Not pitch black, but it's dark. It's not below freezing by any means, but it's just above freezing. Let's get ready to start day 2 on our quest. Oh, look at the slideouts going in. And Daddy did a good job adjusting those slides. Banana bread and coffee for breakfast. Run around 105 kilometers an hour, no more than that. That's plenty good for us. And we're ready to go. Just outside of Muncho Lake, southbound. Been on the road a couple hours already. Really nice pullout. Time for a second coffee and some banana bread. Who's with me? Obviously just Katerina, but that'll do.